Hi guys, anybody else have a Whirlpool stove with a glass top? Here we go. Over here, this burner I use the most, but it stays on high the whole entire time. I can lower this temp down to low, it's still on high. Great for boiling water, it'll burn anything else, and it will. To go out and buy another stove, now this stove is about 12 years old, it owes me nothing. But to go out and buy another one in this economy, could be $600 to $900. Absolutely not. To having a technician come into my house, the minute they enter the door should be about $150 to $200 to change out a switch, because that's what it is. It is a switch. I'm going to show you how to do it. It will be simple. It will be easy, but please don't be a hero. Unplug the stove. Please unplug it and we'll begin. Okay, now you're just going to take the screws out of the switch, okay? Very simple. There's 2 screws there typically, and we're going to remove those 2 screws so that we can take out the piece from the back. Very simple, very easy. Put your screws right on top of the stove so you don't lose them. I'm good for losing something, so let's just put them aside. Off camera, I removed all the screws that are around this back panel. So we're just going to take the back panel off. Very simple. Remove it. Put it down here. There we go. Here is where it needs to be replaced. Let me bring it up closer to you so you can see it for yourself. This has got to come out. Okay, let's take this out. Very simple. Now we're going to unplug this part from this because this is what we're replacing. I want to make sure you guys see it. Okay, seriously, I need a butter knife to try to lift this thing off. It was very difficult, so I had to get a butter knife and lift that out. But this is the part, okay? And here is where you're going to find the serial number for your part. It'll be right here on the piece, okay? There you go. And with the magic of television, here we go. I ordered the part, it came yesterday. There you go, it's right here. Now all we have to do is reconnect, which I'll show you. Okay, so let me just put this on. I hope you can see it, yeah. There we go. And now we're gonna put this one on. Okay, I hope you can see this, because I want you to see it. There we go. It's simple, easy. Now all we're gonna do is feed it right through here. Again, we're gonna screw it in. We gotta go around the other side. Got one screwed in. I wanna see if I can screw the other one so you can see it more up close and personal. There you go. Make sure it's on good. Just in case I make an error, let me just put this on here for now. Push it in. Houston, I have a problem. I pulled this off. You see how this is here? It's shorter. Don't mind the grease, I'll clean it. I gotta cut this nippling off. There's a little thing here that has to come off. Then it should be okay. There we go. That came off like butter. It really did. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, before I put the back of the stove on, I'm going to plug this back in. Okay, let's test it out. It's getting hot. You should start seeing red. There you go. Now, the biggest thing is putting it down to low and actually watching it drop in temperature. Let's see. Beautiful, baby. Oh, that worked perfect. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to put the back of the stove back on. Now that we checked it, it's working out great. We just saved ourselves $600, $900, even a technician call. That's how simple that is to do, my friends. I got the part from Amazon. I'll show you the box. I looked around online just so that you know. Some places wanted $56 for this part. Amazon wanted $15. Get the number from the back of your piece. Typically, it's going to have it on Amazon. $15 to fix my stove. I had the part overnighted. They charged me another $2.99. But hey, I'm still in the black. Please, it's all done. So my friends, if you enjoyed the video, I don't think you need to put the back of the stove back up. I hope you gave it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Leave me comments. Has this happened to you? Have you thrown in the towel and said, I need a new stove? Well, now you see you don't. It was just a switch. And I'll talk to you all soon. Be kind to each other. Mwah!